I run pivot pegs on all my bikes. There's on the 350 and the 690. Really enjoy these things. It's one of the first mods I usually do on a new motorcycle. So I want to do it on the CB500X, but there's not a pivot peg on the fitment chart for the CB500X. So here's what we've done to modify a pair of pivot pegs for the Dl650 V-Strom to fit the CB500X. Now to install these pivot pegs for the Dl650 Suzuki V-Strom onto the CB500X, you'll need to file away this stop right here. File that away a bit so that the pegs can properly fold up when they hit an object. We may need to file this one down a bit too. So file the stops on the top of the peg attach bracket. This is very soft aluminum, so it files very easily. We're going to go ahead and remove this tab here to make way for the spring so that it can go up against here instead of here. Okay, there it is installed, and look at that pivot when you go for that brake. Now on the CB500, between sitting down and standing up is a pretty wide range of motion, and you see that peg pivot sitting down to standing up. Now I may adjust the forward amount of pivot so it'll even pivot a little bit more by removing some material on the forward stop. And it folds up well out of the way in the event of a crash. So that's the Dl650 V-Strom pivot peg on the CB500X. Special thanks goes to ADV rider Cruz in Brisbane, Australia, for being the first guy in the world to do this and actually have some data or information on this modification. Thanks, Cruz. Cheers from Northern California.